Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to use motion array templates in DaVinci Resolve. We have the link to motion array in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. So first things first, you need to head over to motion array, log on into your account, and then we're going to be using presets for our case. So here, once you hover over presets, you're going to locate the DaVinci Resolve macros and you want to click on it. So right here we have the DaVinci Resolve macros, and anything you download here will be for DaVinci Resolve. So of course you have some options right here, the category, orientation, resolution, etc. And we'll be clicking on the free presets. Now here we just have two, and we're going to click on the download option. You can see download right here, download right here. So you just need to come over to the bottom right corner. Of course, alternatively, you can click on it. It's going to give you a better view. So you can see how this applies, right? So you can click in download, and once it's downloaded, you're going to go over to your local file folder in order to unzip it. So right here, you can see large titles. We made sure to unzip it, as you can see right here. I'm going to open it. And here you can see large titles once again. Open it. Then you can see three folders: fonts, help, and macros. Now, it is important to click on the font and follow the font link document. For example, if you don't have the right font, it might not operate properly. So you want to make sure you open the text link document, which will link you to where you can get the right fonts for these and download them and install them on your computer. And then of course, after you have the font, you can come over to macros. And then you have the large titles DRFX and the large titles folder. Go ahead and open it, and here you can see 9 different samples. Now here's something you need to take note of. We'll need to create some files within our computer. So simply go over to your PC, click on Windows. So you want to have this PC, then Windows C. Then you want to select Program Files. Then after Program Files, you want to click on Black Design. After you click on Black Design, you want to click on DaVinci Resolve. Under DaVinci Resolve, you want to click on Fusion. Under Fusion, you want to follow the Templates folder. And within the Templates folder, you want to click on Edit. So once we open the Edit folder, you find a blank page right here. Of course, you might see generators or something else. We want to make sure that we have these 4 folders, and this will serve you for now and in the future. So you want to have effects, generators, titles, and transitions. So any of the folders you see already, you don't need to duplicate it. So in order to create new folders, you just simply need to right click new folder, and then of course you're going to give it the right permissions and create the folder. So that's how we have titles, transitions, and effects. Now what we downloaded is like a title, so we want to make sure that we have titles right here. So once you open it, you're going to come over to the large titles, copy these titles, which is about 9 of them, go to the edit, click on titles, and you see the large titles right here. So once you have these large titles, make sure to close your DaVinci Resolve if you have it open already. But if you don't, after pasting them here, you're going to open DaVinci Resolve. Now within your DaVinci Resolve, of course, you want to open your project. And then you can see we just have a white background, and then you want to come over to effects. You can see effect right here. And if you don't see effects, you want to go over to the workspace. Then you want to hover over show panel and workspace. Then make sure the effect is ticked. This is how you get to see effects. Then of course you want to click on titles, and then within the titles, you want to scroll down to look for the same name. Remember, we downloaded large title, and here you can see large title 01, large title 09. So these are the different titles right here. So of course we're going to drag the first one, put it right here. And once we move our playhead right here, let's just play it. Awesome. It looks great. So of course you can use any of these titles for your project. Now, because you have this template, you just simply need to go over here and you can see large, here is large, and you can see titles. So we're going to change this. So we're going to come over here to change this to beautiful titles, or we could change titles to sunrise. Great. So if we take it like this and play it from here, let's make it full screen. Great. So this is how you get to use your motion array templates. Remember, if you're trying to download the templates again, You don't need to create new folders as we did, you just simply need to download the files and put them in the appropriate folder. So if it's an effect, you want to put it right there, if it's a title, or if it's a transition from Motion Array. Don't forget that we have the link to Motion Array in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.